They're frickin' lying to you, bro. They're lying. They're telling you to start drop shipping, to do wholesaling, to trade options. But what the hell are they doing? They're making videos. They're making videos, bro. That's the real game. They're all frickin' lying to you. All these gurus, they're all doing videos, but they're telling you to do something else. They're pointing that way when they're literally running that other way, bro. Here's what to do. Start an Instagram shadow page and start posting reels, because Instagram is where the money is right now. Everybody's gatekeeping, telling you to do this, to do that, but they're making videos. So start making simple videos, bro. Start making videos and start selling something. That's it. That's literally it. That's the sauce. So if you want to learn how to make videos, how to go viral, and how to start printing piles of money with this, I'll teach you. Follow and comment blueprint, and I'll send you my free blueprint that shows exactly how I'm making money.